This is our breeding group of albino Carolina swallowtail peacocks. Those are females. There might be one male in there, and there's some babies that we don't know. And I don't know where Daddy went. That's another juvenile. But those are all albinos, and we had a mama Holden, so we stripped her today. And now we have 5. I counted 28 of them. And they all came out albinos also. Isn't that awesome? Daddy's camera shy. There he is. Wish he'd come out and get a picture, get a showing. He's really pretty. He's more yellowish colored. He's got some blue in his dorsal and tail. Well, there you have it.